Hello, good morning, my dear children. It's our fourth chapter from science. The title of our lesson is Animals and the Food. In this chapter, we are discussing different kinds of animals and the food habits. Okay, and here is a box that we can see. With this box, we want to do. Here we can see some names of some animals, and here we can see some food items. So we want to match the animal name to its food. And the first one is the leopard. Leopard we want to match into meat, that is the C option. And the next, hen, grains, giraffe, leaves, fish, worms, frogs, insects. That is the answers. And the next one is that we want to enter our chapter. Animals need food to give them energy for moving about and doing other activities. We know that we all need food to do something. To do some activities, we want the energy. The energy is getting from food. They also need food to keep them in good health. The animals also need food to keep them in good health. We know that plants make their own food. Plants make their own food. So, how do animals get the food? Plants, they can make their own food. But in the case of animals, where they get their food, that we are discussing here. The food of animals and human beings comes directly or indirectly from plants. That means plants are the main food giving item in the environment. Some animals such as cows, horses, goats, sheep and rabbits eat grass and other plants. They are called herbivores or plant-eating animals. That means some types of animals, they are eating only plants. Such type of animals, such plant-eating animals, we can say they are herbivores. Okay. And the next one is some animals such as dog, lion, tigers and cheetahs eat other animals. They are called carnivores or flesh-eating animals. Some animals like lion, tiger and cheetah, dogs, they are killing other animals and also eating their flesh. Such type of animals we can say carnivores. Some animals such as bears and foxes eat both plants and other animals. They are called omnivores. And some types of animals, for example, bears and frogs also eating both plants and animals also, flesh of other animals. Sometimes they are eating plants and sometimes they are eating flesh of other animals. Such type of animals we can say omnivores. In the case of human beings, they are also omnivores. We also eat both plants and animal food. Okay, and here we can see the type. Animals have different ways of eating habits we are discussing here. Different animals eat different types of food. The shape of mouth and jaws and the teeth of animals depend upon the kind of food they eat. Their body parts are setting as their food for their food habits. In the case of frog and snakes, they are swallowing the food. Their body parts is very suited for that process. Animals such as frogs and snakes swallow their food whole. They do not chew their food. The frog has a long, sticky tongue with which it traps its prey. In the case of snake, they can open its mouth very, very big than its head, because they don't have any bones there. So it can eat a very big animal or thing. And in the case of a frog, they are trapping other small insects actually. That means the saliva of the frog, that is very sticky. The frog may open its mouth and place its long tongue anywhere and sitting without any movement. And the small insects may sit in that tongue. It may stick on the tongue, and after some time it will swallow its prey. That is the process. And the next is animals that eat plants. The plant eating animals, special things we are discussing. The grass eating herbivores have sharp front teeth to bite off plants. They have two types of teeth. The first front teeth that may very sharp and that help to cut the plants. They have a strong and broad back teeth to grind or chew their food. After cutting down the plants, with the help of its back teeth, that will be used to grind the or chew the food. Okay. Some of these grass-eating animals, such as cows and buffaloes, first bite the grass and swallow it quickly before chewing. After some time, they bring back a small amount of the food into their mouth and then chew it well with their grinding teeth. This is called chewing the cud. That means when they get the food, they begin to collect the grass into their belly with the help of its front teeth. It is very sharp and they can cut it very easily. After some time, they will take back a small amount of this food and began to chew with the grinding teeth. And after some days, they will be send it back. Okay, that is the habits of plant eating animals. And here is no more box. In that box we can explain about the trunk of an elephant. The trunk, it helps to the elephant to drink water or collect water, otherwise to tear off the leaves from the highest place. And also the trunk helped it to suck the water and spray it into the mouth. Okay. Animals that eat flesh. The flesh eating animals, here we can see the two big and strong teeth. Picture you can see here. Flesh eating animals such as tiger and lion have a special long pointed teeth to tear the flesh of their prey. They also have strong grinding teeth to chew the meat and bones. With the help of these two teeth, they can tear the flesh of other animals, and with the help of back teeth, grinding teeth, they are chewing its prey, flesh and bones also. That is the speciality of flesh eating animals. That is enough. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.